The rainy day cave, because I imagine it's pretty wet with this waterfall going in, so we're gonna explore this, see what it looks like. Huh. I just wonder how deep the water is. I don't want to get my feet all soaked, you know. It looks like the water looks pretty good. Huh. Well, it might not be bad. My feet are already a little wet, so if I get them wet more, this should be good. Wow, this is cool, dude. Might be getting. Oh man, it is. Wow, that's pretty deep water. I think I'm just gonna go through it. Any passageways at all? No, nothing there. Wow. I think I'm just gonna go through it. My feet are already soaked, so. Oops. Yep, up to my ankles. It is cold. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, that is freezing, man. Do I have to go through that too? Wow. It sounds like there's a waterfall down there here. I'm gonna go through it. If you don't want to.
Well, if I make it to the side over there.
Yeah, I think you can get it. Yeah.
It goes down, but it's not all water, man.
Yeah, it's pretty deep already. Oh man, I hear the waterfall.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, it must be right there. Oh God. Oh, I hear the waterfall.
You never get through it.
Dude, the waterfall is actually right here.
Yeah.
It stops completely here, but I can hear the water running under the water.
Yeah, it's going down.
That's cool. But I don't know if you can get through. I hear the water. See, that's the thing. I think it stops right here. Man, that sounds awesome, though. You can hear the waterfall. See, I'm going to just come up to it more. Man. I just wonder. Yeah, you can't really, you can't go deep. I got my stupid leg keeps flickering here. But, yeah, I don't think you can go past that. So what happens is it's probably like a wall. You can probably crawl it to get soaking wet, but then it's just a wall, you know, a waterfall. So, but that's cool though. At least you got to it. No, now you know what's down this one. So I'll try to get back out here. Oh, let me get a picture of this. That looks cool. Oh man, that's awesome. Make sure don't drop the phone here. Yep, we're in ankle deep water. Let's go through that. Pretty tough. Cripes. Oh man. Got it. Man, I'm so got it. Alright, cool. We're through it. Alright, we're just coming back now. My feet are soaked, but oh well, part of the fun. Just walking through this. But let's walk through this guy. Nice, you got it. So there's Rainy Day Cave for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Awesome. Cave, once again, that was cool. That was awesome.